welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a haul video and I have things from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, and Target. So first we're going to start out with my Dollar General haul. So I picked up two of these cute little patriotic trucks at Dollar General for $3 each. So they have them in the blue and also in red for $3. I also picked up this little Ray Dunn inspired, it says clean on one side, dirty on the other, to put by my dishwasher, and it was only $2. And then I picked up this home sign so that I can hang my keys up and my kids can hang their keys up. It was only $5, but I just thought it was cute. And if you didn't like the colors on it, you could easily repaint it. And then I also picked up this utensil holder for $5. And then I got this cute Queen Bee coffee mug, and it was $2.50, and of course it's Ray Dunn inspired also, but I thought that was just too cute. And then the last thing I have from Dollar General is this little Patriotic Gnome, and I believe it was only $3.50, and yes, $3.50, and they did have two different designs or colors in the little gnome. Okay, so give me just a second and I will get out my Dollar Tree haul. Okay guys, so here's my haul from Dollar Tree. So here's some cute little garden stake gnomes. Now I got the last two, so I don't know if there's other designs or not, but I just thought they were so cute and they would look adorable on a wreath or in a flower bed or flower pot, so I picked up these two. And then I got lucky and found some more of the plastic beach toys. I found the shovel and the rake this time. And I did share a DIY with this shovel, so if you haven't seen it, I will link it in the description box below for you because it turned out really cute and it's very simple to make. Next, I found this 4x6 photo frame, and it is so cute. I just love the way it is shaped. I've never seen these before, so I thought this would look so cute to either put a picture in or paint it. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I thought that was really cute. And then I found some of these, I guess they're called dried florals. I don't really know what to call them, but they are so pretty. So I haven't ever seen these before at my Dollar Tree, so I was excited to find these two. And then I did pick up some more spring flowers. So on the greenery, it just says foliage, but they had a lot of different types that are so pretty for spring and summer. And then I picked up some wildflowers and bellflowers. Next, I have some signs from Dollar Tree. My daughter found these for me, and I just thought they were so cute, and I've never seen these before at Dollar Tree. So this one says Fresh Flower Market, and it's such a pretty sage green. The camera is really not picking up the right color. It's a real pretty green. And then they also have this one, Weed It and Reap. It's kind of distressed. And then look at these signs. Aren't they cute? Locally grown fresh produce. I just love the colors on this one. And then this one, Don't Stop Believing, Sprout Some Love. Isn't that cute? So cute. And then look what else she found. You will have to let me know if you have seen these at your Dollar Tree or not. So cute. So I like this one with a little potted plant. And it says, I guess it's mint because it says, we were meant to be. That's just too cute. And then look at this one, Staying Alive. That is just adorable. And then I really like this one too, Farmer's Market. So you can always take these apart and use them on a wreath. Okay, next I have just some random items. I picked up this little tote bag. It says Hugs and Kisses, and they had some different designs, and they also had some of the plastic ones that I used, like when I did a, I can't think what it's called, splatter screen pumpkin. last fall, so they had some cute spring ones and summer ones in the plastic tote bags too. And then I picked up this little rose. I guess it's just a, it says bath sponge. They had these in, I think, 3 colors, pink, purple, and maybe blue. Sorry, the lighting's not real good, but these are really pretty, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. And then I found some little fairy garden gnomes. Aren't those cute? They're tiny. And then I found some ribbon. I've never seen this ribbon before. It's actually gem mesh, and they had lots of colors in it. They also had, I believe, blue too. So maybe just 3 colors. I also found this huge water cup. It says, "Life is a beach, enjoy the waves." And they had these with some with like watermelons and lemons, so different designs, very cute. And these are really large, they're plastic, so cute, and they come with a straw and a lid. And then I picked up this smaller one, it just says Tropical Life, and they had these in different colors too. And I think they're top rack dishwasher safe. I'll have to double check on that. Never mind, it says it's not recommended to put in the dishwasher or microwave, but I thought it was just so pretty. Hey guys, and the last thing I have from Dollar Tree is this little notepad. It says to-do list, so it's got the AM, the PM, reminders, and notes. And I thought that was so cute. I love Dollar Tree's little decorative notepads. So give me just a second and I'll get out the things that I picked up at Target. I only picked up 4 items at Target. I picked up this tropical leaf bundle for $3 in the Bullseye Playground section. So I thought these were really pretty. So I have a DIY coming up with these leaves. And then I had seen someone share these on Instagram, so I've been looking for these. They're color changing cups. It's a 3 count, $3. So they have the lids and the straws. And when you put liquid or cold beverage in it, they change colors. So I picked up 2 packages of them. I think they'll be perfect for this summer. And then give me just 1 second, I picked up an Opal House rug too. It's actually a doormat. I was needing a new doormat for my front door, so I found this one. It just says welcome, but I love the pretty colors. And I want to say it was $12.99 or maybe $13.99. I'll have to look at my receipt, but they had several different designs. And I really thought, I shared a Dollar General shop with me video not too long ago, a couple days ago. And Dollar General has some big rugs that are $5 each. So I thought about, since layering your doormats is really popular, I thought about running back to Dollar General and picking up 2 of the black $5 doormats and placing them under this one to give it a layered look. So you'll have to let me know if you think that's a good idea or not. And I think that's it, guys, for my shopping haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it.